I believe every human being is an artist within. With proper guidance and patience, they will become a perfect artist and they can decor their home with beautiful and memorable art. Hi guys, this is Krishnagiri. You are watching me on Newsep Art and Craft Hub, and I am an artist, an art educator. I taught over 1500 plus students through online and offline classes. And for the first time, I'm using this platform to those students, those who are unable to reach me physically or they are not in my touch. So through this platform, I want to teach them Patachitra class, beautiful traditional art of Odisha Patachitra. So in next 21 days, or you can say it is a 21-day challenge through which you can learn the beautiful Patachitra art bit by bit, or you can say it as a step by step to decor your home, or you can make it in the beautiful other mediums. So stay tuned for the next 21 classes to be a perfect, or you can say it as an Patachitra artist. First class, I will tell you which materials you should bring or you should keep with you so that you can learn it well. So I hope all of you keep a pen and paper with you to note down all the materials, and I will expect from you, you can keep all these materials with you for the next classes. So kindly note down the materials. First is your a plain copy. Both the sides should be plain, and you can use this copy for your practice, or you can use the loose sheets, loose A4 size paper sheets for your practice also. So this is the first one. Second, or you can use is a drawing copy, normal drawing copy you can see for your kids or for yourself. Also, if you are a student, then you can use those drawing copies also. Second is your pencil. Pencil must be B range pencils, 2B, 4B, 6B. These are the B range pencils which are very soft, and it is very useful to do the paintings or do the drawings so that it can erase well. Then normal any kind of sharpener, eraser and ruler you must be keep with you during your drawing classes. Then next is your a black gel pen. You must keep a black gel pen of any brand. It should be your means waterproof. Okay, so you must be keep a black gel pen with you. Then next is your brush, color brush. Color brush must be zero range. First one you can keep with you a round number is 0 or double zero. Next is your round number 2 or 4. Then next coming to the colors. You have to keep the acrylic color with you. Whether it's a brand of Febicryl, one that is coming sunflower kit, that also you keep with you, or any other brand also you keep with you. But must be it's 12 or 10 pieces color should be in that one box. Then next coming to a piece of cloth, a bowl and a cardboard where you will keep your drawing and you will do. Then that bowl to pour the water while you will do the drawing. Then that piece of cloth to clean the brush or the paper where you will do the drawing. Okay, so all these things or all these materials you have to keep ready before starting the drawing class. So this is your introduction class, or the materials which you will need to practice Patachitra or to learn Patachitra. So if you want to get most out of this series, I hope all of you keep all these materials with you. And this is all about the first class or the day one. So stay tuned, keep the materials ready, and we will meet in the next class. Bye bye.